Do you guys looking for a free video editing software? So I have a best option for all of you. In this video, I'm going to review one of the free video editing software called VideoProc. VideoProc is just a good software for beginners to just start up their career in video editing. VideoProc is good to go because it's actually providing some very premium feature to edit videos professionally. So if you're a beginner, then I really recommended you go with the free software because at the beginning, you don't have much budget for paid software. So VideoProc is of course the best option for you to start up. So without further any ado, let's jump into the video and let's see what they are providing to us. So here is the website of VideoProc. You can also get the link in the description below. As you can see, the website is really clean, and here you got the download button. You can also download it from Mac and Windows for free. So here is the interface of VideoProc. As you can see, the interface is really simple and clean. So if you are a beginner, then you can easily understand the interface. So the first option we got is media library. In a media library, we just simply drop our footages that we want to use in our project. So I'm just drop it in my timeline, and in a timeline we got a 3 track right here. The first one is video track, overlay track, and audio track right here. So it's mean we just got a separate track for a separate things, so we can easily edit and save our time. So the next option we got is transitions. So they are adding a 60 transitions for now. They will add a more later, so don't worry about it. So the transitions are really cool. As you can see, we can just preview it. So it's really cool and a simple transitions. If you're a beginner, then these transitions are really good to go. You can just use it in your project for free. As you can see, just simple vibe transitions right here. So the next option, obviously we need a title in our project of every kind of project. So they are giving us some really good titles right here. You can get a free credit titles, subtitles, and a simple title right here. You can customizely adding your text right here and just edit what you want. So the next option we got is effects. So it's actually my favorite option in VideoProc. They are giving some really cool effects right here. It's just pre-made effects. You need to just drag and drop and you're done. So here I'm just adding some few one in my favorite, as you can see. So let me show you the effects. So here you go. So here is the preview. Let me show you. So as you can see, it's actually a simple glitch effects they are giving to you for free. You can also choose the best one for your project, and I hope you get a best one. So they are adding some very premium features in their software that make the software unique. So the first option we got is speed ramping. They are adding some speed ramping option right here. They are giving you some very customizable good speed ramping option like montages, bullet, jump, fast in out, and wave flow right here. Or you can customizely change the speed ramping option right here. It's actually depend upon you what you want actually. So if I go with the montages, as you can see, it's actually increasing and decreasing continuously. So let me preview it. So yeah, it's actually good to go and it's actually smooth. So you can also customize it according to your use. You can change the points right here and speed according to your requirements and just press apply and it's done. The next option they are giving us is motion. In a motion they are putting some really cool effect. So here we got some pre-made templates like zoom in. So I'm just adding it. As you can see, it's just adding in a zoom effect in my footage. You can also customize it according to your use. So they are putting some really good options right here. So if I add some zoom rotate right here, so as you can see, so it's actually the preview. We got in a final project, and here is the preview that we got, and we change it according to our requirements. So it's actually good option we got in a VideoProc for free. They are also giving a color grading option right here and call it color filter editor. In this option they are giving us some really cool filter. You can just right click and it's done in a few seconds. You can also customize the change it, just look like a camera raw. You can just edit it according to your requirements. Once you're satisfied, just press apply and you're done. And here we got some other options. You just record your audio and screen record using a Video Prog. You can also customizably add your text right here, and you can extract the audio from your video clip. So overall, this software is really good to start up your career in video editing. So I really recommend you go with this software if you are at a beginning stage. Link in the description below, or you can just search at a Google Video Prog and you get this software for free. So yeah, here is the video of today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and comment down below your review about Video Pro. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.